it's the Madman, and I'm back, baby. Really running them through. We're going to the town in the Bearman tribe. Oh, man, it's hey, Curry, color Curry. Just playing. So anyway, we are doing phenomenal. I am going by snowplows. I am going by chained up, tired vehicles. I am going by 4x4s, 5x5s, 6x6s, 7x8s. I'm going by any size car you can imagine. Anyway, to show you, give you a little peep of how it's looking out there where I'm at. Because it's getting pretty rugged. Pretty rugged. If you know what I'm saying. Anyway.